Hey guys, in this video we're going to tie two series together that I did recently. One being the Let's Make Our Magic Work series, and the other being the suggestions on energy work. This directly deals with that we raise and summon within the circle or at the altar, and how we apply these and learn to weave and manifest and mold this energy so that we can make our magic more effective. Now, the suggestions for making energy work for you, those suggestions that I gave you, is a very solid foundation because we're covering it from just about every angle. We covered learning how to send and receive energy, how to create etheric doubles of objects, and also how to perceive spiritual entities using physical human beings as a tool. Um, this will create a good solid foundation for you, but we also have to remember that this has to be applied directly towards our sorcerer's work to make our magic work. And what I mean by that is it's not just a matter of opening a book, reciting some words, and lighting some candles and incense. All right, everything on your altar needs to have a sympathetic purpose. For instance, let's say you want the flow of prosperity in your life. You're going to want to pull upon the forces of earth and water to ensure that that flow of prosperity is continually coming in. So when you're at your altar, you want to look at all these sympathetic elements that you have in regard to this goal and pull their energies forth and create this mass of aether that you can mold and shape in your mind's eye and experience the reality that you want to manifest. And you want to do this in a very intense way, almost to the point to where you can't do it anymore. You're at this climactic point to where your efforts are going to start to taper off. And it's at that point you want to send those energies forth and forget about the goal. It's the intensity of the work itself that you need to learn to develop. How to challenge yourself up here, because the more intense you can make your efforts, the better off you're going to be in regard to results. But you have to learn to channel these forces and shape them according to your will. This is the very basis of magic. And it really is not something that is emphasized in a direct way. It's always said that visualization is important, blase, blase, but you want to observe the very molecular structure and the energies of these elements forming and shaping your will. And then let it go with a bang. This is subjective. The point is, you're going to get out of this what you put into it. This video was really just an example of how you can use various concepts towards one common purpose. Infernal blessings.